Hey, what's up guys, it's Kauso here, and as you clicked on this video guys, this video I will be showcasing top 5 apps for the month of June 2020. And in this video I have categorized these apps into 3 categories mainly, which is photo editing, second is utility, and last one is entertainment based. So do watch the video till the end, and also as per the drill, let's roll the intro and let's get the video started. So the first app on the list is quite interesting, and it is a photo editing app with the name Orange Teal. As per the name, it is a famous Instagram filter, as many of you might know. In this app, you get a variety of filters such as gold coffee, moody brown, pastel pink, and much more, so that you can take your photos to the next level by just simple editing LUTs or filters, I should say. Once you select the filter of your choice, you can change the intensity of it, as well as in advanced settings, you can play with the saturation, highlights, shadows, and change their values so that you can fine tune your picture to your liking and then directly share it to Instagram. This app is quite simple interface with very minimal controls, so that any beginner can also use this app and get some amazing results out. So it's quite easy to use, and it's definitely worth checking out if you are planning to step up your Instagram game to the next level. Second app on the list is Screenshot Assistant, which is a utility app to get more productive and instantly take screenshots by just pressing your home button or gesture control if you have gestures on your phone. You can instantly crop the screenshot to your liking without needing the need to go into your gallery again edit it and crop it out. It is really simple to use this app. Just by tapping your home button, you will get a screenshot. On the go, you can crop your screenshots and you're good to go. This app is quite helpful for all those screenshot gods out there who really take screenshots a lot, and it's really helpful and really handy to use. Third app on the list is Volume Styles, and guys, this is my personal favorite app in the list. So going by the name, it is essentially an app to customize your volume panel slider. Yes, you heard it right, to customize your volume panel slider. And that's the beauty of Android. And it has a lot of options in it too. So here, as you can see, there are a lot of styles available from each operating skin to check out, and it has been designed really well, I should say. Skins ranging from iOS to Windows, the app has it all. You can change the slider looks as well as add a brightness control in your traditional slider. Once you choose your slider of choice, you can very well customize each and every parameter about it. It is such as colors, slider position on screen, corner radius, as well as duration for how much time the slider will appear can be set too. Also, another great thing is you can get a toggle above the slider to change your sound profile from ringing to DND to silent with vibrate with just a single tap. So it's definitely worth checking out if you want to customize your phone to the edge and get the most out of it. Fourth app on the list is Pixel Flow. This app is specially for all the YouTube creators out there who want to make an intro video for your channel so that it looks quite professional and quite up to mark on your channel when some viewers view it. So to create that intro, traditionally you require a complex editing software, but with the help of this app, when you open this app, you get all these templates from various categories to choose from. Select the template you want, and most of it are premium, but the free ones available are also great. And it is quite minimalist, so you have a lot of choices and you can edit it out also. So when you select a template in the editor, here you can change the main text, its position, as well as the color in the background tab. You can also customize the background you like, and there are a host of options available too. And also you can select a background audio of your choice by downloading it separately. So overall, it's a really great app for YouTubers who are planning to make a professional intro for your channel and step up your YouTube game. So it's worth definitely checking out. Last but not the least is Facebook Gaming app. As per the name guys, this is a game streaming app, and you can watch live stream of all top gamers as well as streamers around the world, and also interact with them in their live gaming sessions. And joining the gaming groups, you can get instant access to all the people who play this game with similar mindset. So you can also chat with them, play with them, and kill some of your time. Another thing is that you can play some really interesting instant games which Facebook provides, and which are quite so small in size, and you can instantly download it and play it. It's quite fun. It is somewhat similar to the initiative that of YouTube Gaming, which Facebook is doing right now with this gaming app, which has been recently launched. In this app, also you have four main categories, that is gaming, video streams, live streamers, and groups. Also, another great thing that you can do with this app is that you can directly live stream your game. Yes, you can live stream your game. Suppose you're playing PUBG, you can just directly live stream with the help of Facebook gaming app. So that's quite helpful also. So to all the gamers out there, this app is definitely worth checking out if you want to stream your game and get some audience around. So that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you like the top 5 apps which I have shown for this month, and definitely this series is gonna continue along. And also I would like to thank you guys for the support you have been giving me for this monthly app videos. So it's quite great. So if you like this video, then please do hit the like button down below, guys, and also get subscribed to my channel for more such content. This is your boy Kaustubh from T2E signing off. You guys have a great day.